Hi everybody, and welcome to CM571 Assessment for Individuals. I'd like to take you on a little tour of the course to show you the key elements so that you're familiar with the course. So here we go. Take myself off of video so that we can focus on the course. In this course, you'll have the opportunity to develop your clinical assessment skills. You'll experience what it's like to select, administer, score, and interpret assessments. You may notice this course is structured a bit differently than previous courses, as there are not as many discussions, for example, but trust me, you'll still need to commit at least 20 hours a week to be successful in the course. This course has three major components: a personal assessment narrative, a statistical tutorial, and a group project. In the personal assessment narrative, you're going to take assigned assessments and reflect on the experience of taking the assessments. You will also select, self-administer, score, and interpret several other assessments. One of the challenges with this particular assignment will be applying the concepts of validity and reliability, which we will be discussing at length. One of the things with the personal assessment narrative is that you will receive an invitation from Kelly Billstrom during week 1 from Mind Garden. If you do not receive this link by Tuesday, please check your clutter and spam folders for the link. If you still cannot find a Mind Garden invitation, please check in with Kelly Billstrom directly so that she can resend the invitation to you. This invitation will give you access to 4 assessments that you will need to take for part 1 of the personal assessment narrative assignment, which is actually due the first Saturday of the course. So make sure you look for that link, and if you don't get it, please follow up with Kelly Billstrom as soon as possible. The second component is the statistical tutorial. We've partnered with Khan Academy to help you develop the basic statistical skills that you'll need as a professional counselor. Beginning in Module 2, you'll spend at least 10 hours a week reviewing the modules outlined in Khan Academy. Again, you'll receive an invitation probably by Friday of the first week of the course. Again, if you've not received that invitation, check your clutter folder or check your spam folder for that invitation. If you do not receive your Khan Academy invitation, please email your instructor directly. It's very important that you use the invite to our class within Khan Academy and not instead of using a previously established Khan Academy account if you have that. So make sure you use the one that's linked to your Chicago School email. I will also be providing an overview of Khan Academy during our live session in week 2. However, when you first enter Khan Academy, you will be asked to take an assessment. Once you complete that assessment, Khan will place you in the courses that they think you most need. And while you're welcome to complete all of the courses that Khan recommends, make sure that you complete the required courses, which are listed in the statistical training overview. As you can see, they're broken out by course unit with title and what sections or lessons within that section you need to complete. In order to get to that information after you finish your assessment, you'll most likely end up on a page that looks something like this. And there's 2 ways that you can get to the correct page. Either under subjects, you can click probability and statistics, or you can click see all probability and statistics. And from there, I think the easiest way to get to it is actually through the table of contents. So if we look at the statistical training overview, you'll see the first part that's required is statistical studies, statistical questions. So from there, I would find statistical studies here, and I would click on statistical questions. And then it would walk me through the different parts of the Khan Academy lesson. So again, make sure you're completing those lessons that are listed on the statistical training overview. And all of this is to prepare you for the statistical assessment near the end of the course. So make sure that you're following along and staying on track with completing these particular lessons so that you are able to be successful on the statistical assessment near the end of course. Finally, you have a group project called Creating an Assessment Protocol for Clinical Mental Health Agency. In groups of 3 or 4 students, you're going to develop an assessment protocol for a mental health agency of your choosing, for a population of your choosing. Be sure to review the final project overview, which is in the course room as well. And this will outline and give you additional details on what you need to do to complete this project successfully. Your first assignment for this particular project is due in Unit 2, which is the group project part 1 discussion, where you'll identify the type of agency and the population that you'll be developing the protocol for, as well as who the group members are for your particular group. Finally, we are going to have a live session next week, and the information regarding the live session will be posted in the announcements. If you're unable to attend the live session, know that I will be posting the recording in the announcements as well. During the live session, we will review the course logistics and projects. Feel free to reach out to me in the meantime with any questions you might have regarding the course. Please post those in the general questions discussion thread. For any personal questions, you may email me or call me, but please know that those questions that are emailed or done by phone call should be very private questions, specific questions to your unique situation. If you are asking me a question that would benefit everybody, I will refer you back to the general questions so that I can answer it there once instead of having to answer the same question multiple times privately. I look forward to working with you. This is a very tough course in the sense of the content and how much work you'll be doing outside of the course room with research and going over the statistical review, but know that I will have live lessons throughout the term to support you and provide you with additional support to get through the content. The course can be very exciting and fun, but initially I think it's a little overwhelming to students when they're trying to learn all the new terminology and learn how to research assessments. So just be on the lookout, because every week I'll be posting additional information to support you in this journey. Thank you, and I'll talk to you soon.